Life in sales can be really hectic. Clients have extremely high expectations for responsiveness and are increasingly reluctant to provide time for discovery. Why is this? Well, it's because too many sellers fail to strongly incorporate the learnings from the discovery process into their future presentations and proposals. The end result? No decision, lost bookings, and wasted time. Does this sound familiar? Well, we built Discovery2Win to enable your sales team to uncover hidden motivations, distill the information they learn in discovery down to the essence of what really matters, and build a compelling and persuasive story that gets buyers excited to move forward. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you how we're able to consistently drive these outcomes in a 100% virtual setting. The Discovery2Win program is a combination of highly curated video lessons, self-paced exercises, and masterclass coaching sessions. Now, while we can design the experience to match your needs in terms of population size and velocity, the most common approach takes place over the course of 1 week and includes an investment of approximately 12.5 hours to complete the program. That's about 2.5 hours a day on average. So whether you're looking to train dozens, hundreds, or thousands of people, the process is largely the same. We run this program in cohorts of up to 20 people. So if you have 15 people to train, that's 1 cohort. If you have 100, that's 5 cohorts, and so on. Now, each cohort runs Monday through Friday, and we meet for coaching each morning, and the participants complete self-study videos and exercises in the afternoons. Monday's live session is a kickoff call to get everybody aligned, set expectations, and discuss outcomes and objectives. Then the students begin their self-study that afternoon to prepare for their coaching session Tuesday morning. The first coaching session focuses on objection handling. We teach this first because effectively handling objections requires excellent active listening skills, and we want to make sure participants have this mastered before we move forward to discovery. Tuesday afternoon, the participants complete their discovery learning and prepare for Wednesday's coaching session. In the discovery session, participants practice leading conversations to uncover the 5 most critical elements needed to understand a buyer's underlying motivations. We focus on leading and narrowing a conversation to ensure participants are driving to their intended outcomes. Wednesday afternoon is where we start to move towards the practical application of discovery. In preparation for Thursday morning, the participants learn how to distill the discovery information to identify key motivations and strategic connections, and how to develop a customer-focused story to communicate their unique ability to help address these motivations. This brings us to Thursday. The morning is a working session where participants work in story groups. They negotiate with one another to choose one team member's customer scenario and then begin framing out the deal strategy and developing their initial story. This is done in virtual breakout rooms while the 2Win coach rotates between rooms to provide guidance and support. At the end of this session, students have a really solid, rough draft of their story. Thursday afternoon is primarily dedicated for group homework and story practice. There's a short online learning component about presence to help them deliver their story with more intention, but the focus is on finishing the story and practicing their final delivery. Each story group presents their final story on Friday morning. In this session, we're looking to ensure the discovery information, motivations, and strategic connections are front and center in the story. The story needs to be strongly connected to the motivations and outcomes, and it needs to be compelling and memorable. Following the coaching, we finish the session with a review of the program, a discussion about personal action plans, and the delivery of their 2Win discovery certifications. It's a really great capstone to the program that leaves participants feeling successful and encouraged to put their newfound skills to practice. So that's a little about Discovery2Win, a 100% virtual experience that teaches your team to identify key motivations, prioritize based on strategic connections, and improve their resonance by connecting their strategy to key outcomes buyers care about. We look forward to working with you and your team in the near future.